Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Classic Tacos. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to answer the question, do you need a bed mat or not? It's all over the place and people say buy one, and people say don't. So we're going to put it to the test just because no one's ever done one of these videos. So we're going to give it a shot. We're going to go for a test drive with some man stuff in the bed with no mat. And then we're going to come back, get our man stuff out, install our bed mat, and then go for another run with all our man stuff in the bed and see how it goes, see how it moves. Let's take a look at the man stuff I got in the bed. I got set up here before I take a little run. This is going to be our pre-mat run. I can't go anywhere without my machete or my blow dryer. All us men, we always have an axe. Then we have a box of tetanus, your level, and then I got my case that has all of my recovery gear. I don't like having it attached to the printer, so we're gonna take a little run with this setup right here without a mat, and we're gonna see how this goes. Just got back from the test drive with no mat. Now we're gonna go unload. I think I broke the blow dryer. My wife's gonna kill me. Tried to make it exactly the same. All right, let's go see how this holds up. Test drive. All right, there you have it. Both runs with and without. I think it's worth it. I think if you have the opportunity to get one, buy one. I've seen a lot of them come up used. They're a little bit cheaper than buying it new, and you don't have to pay for shipping. Sexy. It does look good though. Just buy it. You're gonna need it. It'll work.